Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today we are working on a very easy stitch. Again, it's a variation of one of the stitches that I showed you. It's the mesh stitch, but people were wondering, actually I had one request so I'm doing this for not just that person, but for anybody else who's interested in learning the mesh stitch, but just for a rectangle or a straight row. So you can use this instead of making it work out and spread out into a V, it just works in a straight line. You can make table runners with this, you can make blankets, you can make wraps still. So yeah, it's still a very versatile stitch. I am using my own yarn from my shop, my little shop. This is the French version of Jean Blanc. He was a 16th century trumpeter in Henry V's and IV's courts. Anyways, he was really cool, and his colorway was blue and red, and the trumpet is also represented here in the golden yellow. This has a knot in it already. Yeah, so the colors here just kind of flow together. So it's a very pretty yarn, and if you're interested, I will have a link below. And if you find these tutorials helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe. I always forget to say that, so there, I've said it. No pressure. And I'm using, this is merino. You can use whatever yarn you want, and this is a 4.5mm hook. So to start, just do a slip knot the regular way that you would, whatever way is easiest. And this mesh pattern works in multiples of 4, so whatever measurements you need for your pattern or your project, just make it in multiples of 4, and then at the end you always add 3. So it's, if you're doing something with 40, then do that and then add 3 at the end. So for this project, for this short little tutorial, I will do 20. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then, like I said, you add 3 more at the end. So just do 1, 2, 3. Just like that. And look at those pretty colors. Okay, so to start, we're going to single crochet into the 7th chain from the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then count, skip 3 chains, and into the 4th one you do a single crochet. Then chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And into the 4th chain again you do a single crochet, and then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then into the 4th chain again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do a single crochet. And then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you single crochet into the 4th one again. So you'll know if you've counted right if you end on the final one, just like that. So you will have your loops, and then you turn your work, or you can before you turn your work, you can chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then turn your work. And then into this first hoop here, you do a single crochet and then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then jump over to the next loop and do a single crochet into that, and then chain 5 again, jump over to the next one, and then chain 5 again, 5, and you single crochet into that. And then this little end one, it looks like it's tiny and not enough, but it is. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet into that last one, just like that. And then you chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn your work, and you're doing the same thing all over again. So you just single crochet into that first loop, then chain 5, single crochet into the next loop, chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, and then there's one more here, single crochet, or sorry, chain 5, and single crochet into that. Now that is all there is to this, and then what you can do is block your work and you will get a diamond shape just like that. So I will do a little bit more and then show you what it looks like when it's all done and blocked. And that is all there is to this. It's basically just a single row repeat, and it makes this diamond pattern, and it works up so quickly as well. So that is it. That is all there is to this magic stitch. This is the diamond mesh stitch. There you go. You have another stitch in your collection of stitches. So yeah, continue, have fun. I will show you a picture at the end of what this will look like, and it also works up really great if you have variegated yarn, so it really shows it off for you. So there it is. That's all there is. I guess we'll see you next time, or we won't see you if you're sick of these, or anyways, have a good day or good evening or good night wherever you are. Happy crocheting. See you. Bye-bye.